Let's check out the aftermath. Hey! It's enough. Let's check out the aftermath of the rain. I think my chilies took a hammering. I mean, look, it's all coming down. Ilula. You see, all swamped. Almost everything now. This is dense mud. Oh. Looking fresh, my lovelies. See, this is how resilient chilies are in the tropics. They can take inches of rainfall in a very short time and persist. They can persist almost as well as the fishermen that you can hear in the background announcing what fish they still have to sell. And if anyone's interested, it's like milk delivery in the 90s, milk bottle delivery. You get fresh fish every morning, delivered about 8 times a day, 6 different types, and it's about... Oh yeah, this is what's left over from my trash that I've just moved out. And it's not trash, it's bottles and cans, which are not either perishable or something we can burn. So we have to repurpose them. So that's why they're here. It's likely I'll sand down the corners of any broken glass and use that as a pot. The full bottles could be painted in becoming candlesticks, but we decide as we go. But you can see how much the rain... I mean, this was a dug hole, so it's got to be 6 inches. It's only an hour's rain. This is a seeding area. My coriander is now a swimming pool with a frog, destined for a new home. These are some of the squash plants. So these ones have been waterlogged, these ones not, because the tree coverage, the leaf coverage is better here. And I keep them here because it keeps them protected from the sun and it also dissipates the rainfall so that they don't get absolutely smashed by any rain. And all of these are full because they are without drainage. It's hard to poke holes inside metal cans. These will drain out. These are seedlings. All within 7 days they'll be popping out. These are my elite habaneros. Will spread out. They look very haphazard, but within 2 weeks they'll all be flourishing and they'll look beautiful, like that. And this is a bottle of petrol for burning, and this is not a bottle of rum, it's a repurposed bottle of rum because you see, it has holes in the top, and the best way to mimic rainfall is with a rum bottle with holes in the top. And my trench has become a moat. Just like that. It's going to be 5 times heavier, 5 times more flatter, 10 times more difficult to dig. But that's no problem. I'll just wait until a sunny day and it'll be back to normal. Oh, and there's Mary. Mary! Sit. Good boy. Good boy. He's an Askau. That's a local breed. It means street dog. Maui. Good boy. Good boy. Much better now, much more healthy. You see his pit bull shoulders? By pitbull shoulders, I mean it was his granddad. That's why they look a little bit more nerd-like. Okay, it's starting to rain again now. But thank God my chilies are all still beautiful. Especially my jalapeno plant. And I just seen a flash of lightning. It's time to go inside again. Adios.